Number 6, differentiate the following with respect to x. So this is exponent, yes, just direct, right? Differentiate, direct differentiate using the tablet. It's also same. But for this one, okay, you need to use either expand. Okay, here different method is using the product rule, but details. Okay, but this one you need to use product rule. Okay, product rule, and this one you need to use quotient. Okay, so we discuss number 6 from A to I. Fx is equal to e power 3x. F prime x is equal to copy, then 3 is equal to 3 e 3x. Done. Simple. 6b differentiate with respect to x. Given y is equal to 5 2x. Okay, so actually you may differentiate using by taking ln to the both side. Implicit differentiation. This is the one method. So this method, let's say if given this y is equal to a to the power of x, okay, or a to the power of fx, differentiate dy dx, means that first thing is you kena for exponent ni copy sebab dia kebal, copy, and then buat base a kan, ln a base. Okay, the next step is baru differentiate power dia f prime of x. First copy everything and then write ln a base dia, the base. The next step power dia differentiate. Okay, let's do for number 6b. Try b and then write down dy dx. Why? Because of differentiate respect to x. And then first is copy copy everything 5 2x because of exponent dia kebal, copy dulu. And then ln base apa? Ni base apa? Siapa tahu? Base? Right. Base? Apa dia base ni? 2x ke 5? Ya, 5. Okay, base 5. Okay, base dia ni base. Okay, dia punya asas base kan. So, write down here. This is actually constant kan. And then differentiate to x. Dapat apa? Differentiate to x. Dapat? Differentiate dapat apa? Okay, cepatlah. Macam tu. So, answer is just repeat je. 2 times 5 to the power 2x ln 5. Tu je. So tak payah let's say 2 and 5 tu you cannot mix lah because of dia different. Dia different term. Jangan mix up jadi 10 to the power 2x pula. So ini cara dia. This is the way lah. The way. In lecture nanti dia akan break lagi lah. So this is the way how to differentiate exponent. Okay, check the second one. Okay, the second one is D. Try. I equals 10 to the power of 3x. Okay, idea. This is considered exponent. Exponent. Okay, so the idea to differentiate exponent. Now let's say given ni. Okay, y is equal to a to the power fx. Okay, a consider exponent number, right? 2, 3, 4, 5 e ke. So differentiate, the idea is copy je because of dia kebal, exponent dia kebal, copy je. Then ni this is base a. So write the base tapi dalam ln a. The next step differentiate the power, differentiate. The next step baru differentiate. The next ni power dia f prime of x. So now let's say this to differentiate exponent. Okay, first copy. Okay, then ln base, depends on base, and then last differentiate power. Okay, okay, and then try this one, dy dx, and then copy kan, copy dulu. Okay, so 10 to the power 3x. The next step is, okay, write ln apa? Apa base ni?
10.
Yes, ln 10. Then the next step baru differentiate ni. Okay, apa dah?
3.
Yes, tu je simple je. So simple actually. 3 10 power ni and then ln 10. Jangan so because 3 is one item, different item, then 10 3x. So settle for 6. See, simple actually, exponent simple je. Okay, dia tak susah. Okay, so saya nak redah juga.
Doktor.
Yep.
Nak tanya. Yang titik tu darab
Tak ada. Darab. Yes, darab.
Okey.
Sebab takut lagi ni kan. Macam tu kan. So is it confusing, right? So better tak pun tak apa. Tapi ni buatlah in this one. Tak apa. Sama je. Okay. Settle, good, ignore baseline. Okay. So fx e power 3 minus 2x. First thing, the idea tadi kan, the idea. Okay, fx e3 2x using the concept, same concept, f prime of x. First tadi apa? Copy je, tak usah kebal. And then ln base. Ni base apa ni? Ni soalan base apa? Cepat. Base dia. E. Yeah, good. Okay. And then differentiate power dia. Berapa dapat?
-2.
Good. Okay. So now the answer is negative 2 e power 3 minus 2x. This one is equal to 1. Habis. Settle. This one using concept lah. So if direct, you can do direct. Okay. Given this one, confirm f prime of x. First thing, copy. Dia kebal. First for exponent, copy je. Kalau let's say base dia e ke 2 ke 3 ke, copy je. The second is differentiate atas ni, power dia. Terus negative 2. So write down negative 2 e power 3 2x. Dah settle. Yang ini saja kita nak guna, nak tunjuk dia same like as a different base. Macam different ln e kan. Ni sekarang base e, cancel that one. So dapat different base lah. This is the idea dia. Okay. So for now on, kalau base e direct macam ni. Okay. So 6e is y is equal to 3. This is exponent Consider exponent is halus sangat. Apa ni? Cuba cakap saya. Saya tak nampak. 9 Is it 9 plus 4x? Check kan? Betul. Okay, so saya tak nampak. Okay, now the idea is for exponent. Idea for exponent, y is equal to e power not e. E is one of that one. A to the power of f of x. That is exponent. Okay, okay, same like 3, 2, 4, 5, and e. E is special kan, base kan. So to differentiate the exponent with respect to x dy dx. Okay, so the exponent is actually dia kebal. Dia gagah perkasa kebal, and just copy je. Copy je. F prime x, copy. Then next is ln base. Okay, base is for exponent. Base is this one a. Ln base, ln a. And then the next step, and now you need to differentiate power. Differentiate power dia. Okay, they are the same like all rules kan. Dia skip step by step. First copy. Okay, first copy. Second, ln base. The third is power dia differentiate. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, one by one. First copy. Okay, ln base. Okay, and differentiate power dia. Only the power. Okay, so let's do number 6e. So dy dx. Okay, differentiate y respect to x. First thing, copy everything. Copy je. Okay, kebal. Copy. Then the next is, okay, times ln. Ln apa? What is base for this one? Base. Apa base dia? Ni, soalan apa base? Okay, index, base, power, apa? Ni, what is base dia? Compare. Apa dia base? 3, yes, 3. Base 3 lah yang takut. Yes. Okay, oh janganlah takut sangat. Base is 3, right? Base dia. Okay, then times. Okay, so times differentiate 9 plus 4x. Apa dia? Differentiate 9 plus 4x. Cepat. Differentiate 4x. Oh, cepatlah. Okay. Tak kamera. Apa dia? 4 lah. Jawablah ke tak dengar internet kan. Salah kat internet. Kita salah kat internet. Okay. 4 dot is times ln. The best is not like this. Okay. Alright. 4 dot 3 power 9 plus 4x dot ln 3. Dah settle. 4 times different term jangan campur. So dah settle for 6e. Okay, F 6F. 6F is ni baru betul punya partner je eksponen kan. 3x squared. First copy question mati tengok mata saya ini. Okay. So now using the concept of ini tadi ini bukan konsep, formula kan. Konsep pun. Okay. Copy. Okay, dy dx. Copy je. First copy everything. Okay, copy. Okay, e power 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. First step. Second step, ln e. Okay, ln e. And then the third step is ni, power dia. Ni. Letak sini. Okay, and then this one is 6x squared minus 6. Okay, this one is equal to 1. And simplify 6x squared minus berapa?
6x je.
Minus 6x je. Thank you. Cepat-cepat bertindak Taklah saya mamai ke mana kan. Tak ada. Okay, ini 6x minus x. Thank you x minus 1 dot e power 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. Yang ini tak payah buat tak apa. Ln ni. Tak payah tak apa. Because ln e is equal to 1. Okay, direct je. Okay, settle for number 6. Dah lagi ke? Tak apa cukup For eksponen macam tu je. Simple. Okay. Okay, for 6 E discuss H A, this one is product rule, and I quotient rule. Okay, discuss this number. Begini. Then, okay, so G Y is equal to E power to X E X minus E minus X. Okay, so differentiate respect to X. Okay, this one either you use product rule or you expand the two methods. First, let's say kalau let's say you expand dulu expand then differentiate or use product rule. Let's say expand expand E to X times X minus E to X times E power negative X. Ni kita simplify dulu. Kita tak ada pun. Ni 2x plus 1 x. E 2x minus x. Jadi E 3x minus EX. This is 1. And then now differentiate respect to X. Kan eksponen katanya kebal kan. Okay, kebal. Alright. Ni dulu. Dan barulah kita differentiate. Differentiate 3X dapat 3. Okay. And minus. Okay, ini this one. Okay, copy dia kebal. And differentiate this one. Okay, dapat 1. Okay, so okay, rewrite. Okay, 3X minus EX. Let's say you may stop until this step. Atau let's say you will take EX misalnya factorize. Dapat 3 EX 1 taken. So tinggal X minus 1. Settle. Check answer. Okay tak? Saya mama itu. Okay, check answer. Sekarang. Berapa? 6. G.
Betul.
Okay. Okay. Let's say kalau you nak guna the product rule. Okay. Product rule. Ini. Product rule means you ada two different function lah. This function and this one. So this is U dulu, baru V. Use a product rule. Okay, U prime V plus U V prime. Jadi U is equal to something, V is equal to something. So U is equal to E power 2X, V is equal to EX minus EX. Then differentiate du prime, okay, or du dx, kan dia kebal. Differentiate 2 dapat ni kan, ni 2x. So, dapat 2 E 2x settle. Yang this one differentiate V. Jadi E power X differentiate X1 minus, okay, E minus X kebal, and differentiate negative X negative 1. Berarti EX plus E power X, negative X. So using the product rule, okay, the product rule kan gampang ke argument ni kan. Ini times ini, right? Okay, and write down dy dx. Okay, je tu EX, tak payah fikir lebih. Pangkal je zap kan. Times, make sure in bracket lah. EX, complicated kan. Plus, okay, kita kena save 4. Okay, plus E minus X. And then, expand ke atau this one check this one. Okay, EX. Okay. Factorize. E. Okay. E power 2x. Factorize. Tinggal ni times ni. 2EX minus 2E negative X plus EX plus E power negative X. Kita saya combine sekali dengan ni. Yang ini. This one, right? And then is equal to E power 2X. Dia mati ke? Hidup kan? Ni 3EX minus E minus X. Okay. And then actually you can stop until the step. Let's say you want to factorize. Tak kena factorize juga. Ni, yang ini. So factorize E lah. Kita buat factorize ni. This one. Dapat E power negative X. Kita take outside. Keluarkan. Jadi yang ini tinggal 3E power 2X because of minus X plus 2X is equal to X. Minus 1. Okay. And then this one E power X 3E to X minus 1. Okay. Jadi you must ambil the step pun tak apa. So sama. So you tengok complicated if you direct use product rule. So for differentiation, okay, that's why you spend dulu, simplify dulu to the simplest form if that question okay, and then differentiate. Jangan terus guna product rule ke question rule ke. Try dulu, study dulu soalan before you ambil action. Okay, yang ini direct G settle the problem. G
Ada.
Okay, good. Okay, this is H. Okay, and check, say that this is polynomial. Polynomial. And then this is exponent. So poly times exponent. This is considered two different functions. Okay, and this is like consider this one. This one. The rule of differentiation product rule. Okay, and then Mr. U prime V plus U V prime, right? V prime. Okay, so now the mean that one is X V 5X and differentiate U respect to X d U dx U prime 1 dV dx 5. Okay, and using the you all tak tengok pun, nampak sangat tak faham. Okay, dia punya ni is E, V is E power 5X. Yang ni, so first thing saya kata copy je E power 5X. Then ln apa? Base dia. Ln apa? Your base E. Then differentiate 5X dapat apa? Cepat jawab. Slow ya. Differentiate 5X kan?
5.
Yeah. So actually this is 1 So is equal to 5E 5X. Okay. Numbers kita direct je. If differentiate exponent E ni kita direct je lah. Ignore ln E Memanglah dia punya base macam tu kan. Dia punya template. Okay. So just ln E is equal to 1. Just ignore and write this one. Okay. So settle. We are going to use product rule. This is product rule. Means that dy dx. Okay. So we are using the product rule, right? Okay, this one. Okay, selampangkan, right? Times this. Okay. So now u prime times v plus ni times ni x times v prime. Whatever is you hafal. Yang penting diselampangkan. Ni sub dalam. Kita tambah plus. And then simplify this one. Ni ni e power of x. Then okay, right, e power of x. Then here is 1 plus 5x. Okay, done for 6 is y is equal to x e power x over y x plus e power x. Okay, so now say before you start, try simplify the function. This one can be simplified more, right? So this is involve this function over this. Even though this is u times v x times 1, so you have to consider quotient rule instead of product rule. So this is u, this is v. So the function is in this template. So you need to use quotient rule. Okay. So u is equal to something and v is equal to something, right? U is equal to x e power x, v is equal to x plus ex. V prime or dv dx is equal to 1 plus ex times 1, right? Settle. For this part, the double. Okay, the double ni. Tengok, this is polynomial. This is exponent. Also, okay, this one consider two different function juga. This one in the term is u times v. So you need to apply product rule. Product rule. And then this is u and v, kan? And then u equals x, v equals e power x. U prime 1, v prime is equal to e x. Okay, now we're going to find du dx for this one, right? Okay. Jadi, okay, so okay, saya nak outroman kan. Okay, this one times this. Tak bantu, right? 1 plus ex plus x times ex. Okay, or you can factorize ex is equal to 1 plus x. Settle. So our aim is to find dy dx for all for this one, for this yang ni. Okay, dy dx for the first one too. So this one dy dx. Okay, dy dx. So dy dx still yang ini clear sikit. dv dx. So idea dia yang ini du dx times v minus u times dv. I choose this one first to up, to down, up, down. Okay, so u du dx ex 1 plus x times v is x plus ex. Okay, so this one because of too heavy, minus, so dia kena buang sikit and override right? Ingat so okay, u is x ex times dv 1 plus ex ni ke sini kan. So over v, jangan lupa over v tu okay, x plus ex. Okay, double check ni. Okay, betul. So make sure how to remember that one, dia to up and to heavy minus lah kan. And then check this one ex okay, factorize ex e power x factorize and then multiply this one times this one times this. Okay, so the answer is ini x plus ex tak x squared plus x e power x. Okay, minus times. Okay, this one is equal to x plus x ex. Okay, and then over x plus e power x. Okay, and simplify e power x. Yang this one actually ni x minus x gone. X ex minus x ex gone. Okay, so inside here only e power x plus x. Okay, ni je over x plus ex. Check answer. For number 7, differentiate each function with respect to x. So now this is the right differentiate. Here also same. This one also same. This one using the log and differentiate. Okay. This one also can bring up and use a log. Okay, bring power and then differentiate. This one also change square root to power half and bring to the front and differentiate. Okay, so now for this one we need to use law of log. Okay, and then differentiate. This one also law of log. Okay, then this one, yes, you can differentiate directly. Yeah, differentiate directly. And this one use law and differentiate law of log. Okay, and this one also use law of log, differentiate. Okay, this one also power rule, and then differentiate. Okay, going to discuss number 7a to 7l. 7a, f of x. Okay, ln 7x. for ln, idea for ln, kalau let's say bagi y is equal to ln f of x prime pula. Okay. fx function macam x squared plus 1 ke 2 ke. So differentiate for ln ini dia turun darjat. Yang ini turun darjat. Okay. Jadi 1 over take all turun darjat. Dia turun darjat. Okay, yang eksponen tadi kebal ni turun darjat. Okay, 1 over take all everything inside the bracket. Then you need to differentiate ni yang bawah ni, differentiate semua. So settle tu je. Simple. Okay, let's do this one. F prime of x. Okay, turun darjat ni. Okay, so 1 over, okay, sebab dia keluarkan dia turun tahta ln kan, jadi 7x. Okay, then you need to differentiate this one, 7x dapat 7. Differentiate. Kalau nak baik buatlah d dx kan, bisa direct terus kan, senang direct. So cancel, simplify, dapat 1 over 7. Ni can be simplified, right? So settle. This is yang paling basic lah kan. Ni 7 minus 9x. Okay, for ln, idea the y is equal to ln f prime. Dia absolute value bagus. Okay, fx. Macam atau kurungan okay. So dy dx is equal to, so dia turun darjat ni. Turun darjat for ln, turun darjat 1 over fx ni. Then the next step kita differentiate ni, whatever semua ni differentiate. Okay, number turun darjat semua all and differentiate all. This is the formula lah. Ataupun dia punya ni lah, dia punya method kan. So now dy dx ni, this is all. Okay, bring down here all, and then 1 over 7 minus 9x. The next step, differentiate 7 minus 9x, get negative 9 times. And then simplify and get negative 9 over 7 minus 9x. 7. See, this is ln. Okay, ln fx is equal to ln 3x squared minus 2. Okay, the idea for ln, okay, y is equal to ln fx. Okay, so differentiate ln, dia macam turun darjat. 1 over, turun darjat sikit lah. 1 over, this is whatever inside the bracket, write down here. Just write down je. Okay, so fx. The next step, you need to differentiate whatever here, f prime x, differentiate. That's it for ln. Simple je. Okay, first thing is ni 1 over turun darjat and differentiate this one. Maybe you need direct into differentiate using the rule of differentiation kan. Okay, and try to do number 7c. F prime of x ln. The first is ln, yang paling luar outer ln, and is that everything ln, ingat ln 1 over something 1. Okay, 1 over the something is 3x squared minus 2. Okay, so in this case, let's say you need to differentiate. Let's say you tak nak differentiate direct, you just write that one and rest and okay, 3x squared minus 2, differentiate this one, linear, right? Polynomial. Okay, 6x minus 0 lah. Okay, or you may skip this step, direct pun boleh. Okay, then just relate. Check answer. Okay, settle, right? Now this one settle. Then you can check your answer. That is part C. 7D is y is equal to ln 2 minus x to the power of a cube. Okay, so now here, okay, before actually you make differentiate directly, or before differentiate you use log of law. Okay, still remember law dia, ln m power a is equal to a ln m. Dia power dia ni, okay, bring to front and dapat sini. Okay, this is the power dia. Okay, so before you proceed, okay, just simplify dulu. Okay, then, okay, differentiate y with respect to x. This is a constant, 3 constant times, and then 1 over ln 1 over ln itu mesti 1 over 2 minus x. Then differentiate 2 minus x get negative 1. Buat dx. Okay, times 2 minus x. Okay. Then simplify negative 3 2 minus x. Done. Check jawapan. Dan 7D. Okay. For number 7I. Actually, katakan I do this one sebab this I don't want to use log. Just want to find right macam using the, okay, this one. Let's say you want to differentiate direct without tu. Okay, using the law ni. Terus direct lah. Okay, this one is, okay, take this one all. Okay, because of okay, using the ni tu darjat, right? Using the law, and then you need to differentiate. Yang ni guna power rule kan ni. So 3 2 minus x squared, and the next step is differentiate whatever inside here, negative 1. Simplify ni negative 3, and then since this one is 2 minus x ni tadi tinggal 2 minus x, so sama je. This one coincident, simple and simple, boleh lah. Sometimes you need to use product rule, quotient rule dalam tu kan. Okay, so it's okay, up to you nak guna law before differentiate atau direct differentiate macam ni. So y is equal to ln 1 over x squared plus 3. So this one you have two methods. Sama ada you want to cara susah atau cara senang. Let's say, okay, this is a bit susah sikit lah kan. You guna concept of turun darjat tu. Okay, so find dy dx. Lepas tu this is dia punya ni, inside the bracket ln. Lepas tu kita turun darjat dia kan. So 1 over x squared plus 3. Then you need to differentiate ni. Saya buat dulu dx, saya differentiate Tak nafas sekejap. Before this saya tak buat kan. Ni kena differentiate ni. Guna cara apa differentiate? You have many methods juga nak differentiate benda ni. You can use quotient rule. Ni kan. You can use quotient rule nak differentiate benda ni. Ni. Bawah sikit Okay, senang. Okay. Bawah sikit. Okay. Dari ni saja boleh differentiate. Okay. Using quotient rule. Yang guna quotient rule yang U, V, quotient macam ni lupa dah. Quotient rule. Okay. Yang Y is equal to U over V, Y prime, U prime V minus U V prime over V squared. Okay. Jadi U ni ni lah. U is equal to 1, 0 lah. V is equal to x squared plus 3. This is one method. Untuk ni one method. Ada two method kan. Guna quotient. Satu lagi guna ni dx 1 over x squared plus 3, bring up, bawa atas. Okay, x squared plus 3 kan, ini minus ni, guna power rule. Okay, guna power rule. Ni power rule. Okay, so ini quotient kan, yang tadi ni quotient. Okay, power rule, quotient rule. Let's say if you want to use quotient power rule, ini bawa bring depan kan. X squared plus 3 negative 1, negative 1 minus 1, and differentiate inside dia punya ni, inside, okay, alternate kan. So dapat negative 2x squared plus 3 negative 2. Sumbatlah dalam ni. Tempat yang sebelah ni kan, ni. Sumbatlah. So sumbat sendiri, replace semua ni. You may replace lah ni. Semua ni kan, replace. Dengan ni. Replace. Okay, itu means that yang this one pun you ada 2 methods dah cara ni. Tapi I want going to show you different method lah. Simplify before differentiate. We going to use law. So now this one simplify dulu. Okay, remember the law. Log m over n is equal to log m minus log n, right? This one consider m n. We're going to use this one lah. So now this one stay y. Okay, kita tak start lagi differentiate, stay y. So ini so log m is 1, m 1 minus log n x squared plus 3. Okay, so baru differentiate dy dx. So log 1, log 1 is equal to what? Log 1 sama dengan 1. Ya, betul, 1. Sekejap. Log 1 sama 1 Kosong kan? Kita nak lupa saya. Tiba-tiba hilang ingatan Kosong kan? Kan? Log E baru 1. Okay? Tapi, okay. Kalau log 3 ke, log 4 ke, macam, okay log apa-apa pun, kalau log 3, okay, log 2 ke, this is constant. Macam 3, 4, 5, 6. Differentiate 3 dapat 0 kan? Differentiate 4 dapat 0. Sama juga differentiate 3 dapat 0. Sebab dia consider constant. So log 1 consider 0. Tapi actually kalau dia ada value 4 ke 5 ke, consider 0 because of constant. So minus, okay, yang ini turun darjat katanya. Differentiate kan? Differentiate 1 over, okay, turun darjat sini. Okay, x squared plus 3, dan differentiate yang ni. Dapat times 2x dalam satu nafas times. Okay, times. Okay, settle, simplify, dapat negative 2x. Apa yang tu? Tak apa. X squared plus 3. Kita tak settlekan lagi ni. Ini kan boleh cancel. Ayo, ni kan. Okay, kita continue lah. Kalau dah terbuat tu kan, ini kita apa? Kita continue lah. Ini nak show ni, sebab nak show this is betul. Okay, dy dx 1 over ini yang kuning ni, yang kuning ni, this one. Okay, yang kuning ni, this one ni kuning ni. So this one yang ini x squared plus 3 kan ni up kan. So yang ini replace tadi kan, replace this one. Okay, replace here negative 2x power over x squared plus 3 negative 2 lah, sebab negatif turun bawah kan, ni turun bawah. This one is equal to negative 2x over x squared plus 3 squared. Then simplify lah. Simplify. Okay, ini tadi. Cancel 1, right? So answer is negative 2x over x squared plus 3. Settle. So same answer. This is not the final answer, just half je kan. Tak sini. Okay, ini tadi ni. So actually idea is same. You can choose whatever method. Nak method ni, tapi sometimes ini dapat complicated jugalah. You need to use quotient rule ke apa benda kan. Okay, bagus simplify dulu using the law of log kan, guna law dulu ni before differentiate. Okay, settle for 7e. Y equals ln SERP 1 plus x squared. Okay, this one first change to this form. Ln 1 plus x squared to the power of half. Okay, and then use the law of log to bring this one to the front. Okay, then get 1 over 2 ln 1 plus x squared. The next step is differentiate y with respect to x. This is constant. Now this y is 1 over. Okay, bring this one down. Here, 1 over 1 plus x squared. Then at the same time you need to differentiate here to x. And then simplify. This one cancel. And answer is x over 1 plus x squared. Then for 7, F is got 7G H I J K L. Okay. Ni. Okay, so sekarang cuba think about the law of log. First thing you can think about law of log. Okay, nak guna law apa? Okay, so kita ada law log. Law is yang the ni is ingat tak yang A log, katakan M is equal to log M power A kan? Okay, so now this one kita adjust log to power half 1 plus x minus over 1 minus x. We going to use this one lah. Dia bagi ni, kita transfer take front. Yang ini tulis kat sini. Okay, is equal to half. Okay, so ln 1 plus x over 1 minus x. Now to check, this one seems like the second law. Ln m over n is equal to ln m minus ln n. This one is m. Ini n. Okay, but make sure ni kita ni mesti lagi fx 1 over 2 in bracket in bracket. So here is m ni kat m kan? M. Okay, so this one m. Tulis ln 1 plus x. Sekejap, buruk sangat. Kat sini kat sini Okay. So ln 1 plus x settle. Minus kan? Ni minus. Okay, this one. Okay, ln n. This is n ln n. Okay, ln 1 minus x in bracket and close. Macam tu So settle. And then let's say kalau you ada problem atau biarlah half macam ni, make sure in bracket. Now we going to differentiate baru f prime x. Jangan is equal sampai habis kan. Baru once you differentiate, baru this one is fx. Baru write down the f prime x. Now we differentiate but make sure ni half Jangan terlebih jangan ignore for all. For both term, this and this. So now we going to differentiate. What's differentiate f prime? Differentiate lah 1 over ni turun darjat ini kat sini kan. So 1 plus x, then differentiate x ni 1 plus x get 1 1 settle. And minus differentiate. Okay, differentiate ni, so turun darjat juga 1 over 1 minus x. Differentiate ni 1 minus x is negative 1. So make sure don't careless. Sometimes students they automatic dia buat 1. No, this is negative 1. Ni negative 1. Tolong kena alert. Okay, rewrite cantik sikit. Okay, colourful sangat. Pening kan. Okay, ni 1 over 1 plus x minus positive 1 minus x, positive. And then can I leave answer until this step? Yes. Okay, we can leave answer. Unless kalau show. Okay, show. Okay, show sambil-sambil kena continue lah, better continue comel kan. Tapi it's okay, kalau teruk sangat boleh. Okay, over 1 plus x 1 minus x equating the denominator kan. Okay ni. Okay, equating the denominator and then simplify, dapat 1 over 2 cancel, mati. Dia lah lecturer awak ni bertahan juga kan, nak perfect. Okay, cancel and the answer is 2 over, this one is nak expand pun tak apa, nak factorize pun okay, but this is 1 minus x squared, not x squared minus 1 okay, and then cancel ni, cancel dapat okay, 1 over 1 minus x squared or 1 over 1 minus x 1 plus x, mana-mana lah. Okay, so this one this in ln and exponent. Okay, ikut lah kalau ni. Okay, x minus 1. Okay, so concept still okay. Let's say kalau let's say I want to direct differentiate. Okay, this one in bracket right. Tunda je. Okay. Suruh apa simplify before tu. Let's say ni tak sure kan, tak sure use the law of log. Jangan gunalah dua cara ni. Janganlah betul. Bukan degil tapi tak sure law of log kan. So right macam ni. Okay. Macam ni. Then the next step you need to differentiate ni kan. So let's say tarik nafas dulu. Kita stop jap. And let's say ni DDS ni kita tak differentiate lagi, just rewrite. Okay, try to set lah kan, nak get ready. Okay, this one is actually function the pattern dia is this one over this in this pattern of u v. So u over v means that you need to apply quotient rule. Okay, then u is equal to ex plus 1, v is equal to ex minus 1, u prime exponent kebal 1 differentiate 0, v prime ex kebal, actually x ni 1 ni 1 kan. Okay, so dapat ex, so the next step kita rewrite lah. Okay, rewrite ni jadi simplify macam ni. Okay, and okay, ni product quotient, quotient ni sini. Okay, and then this one. Okay, then ex u prime times ex minus 1 v minus okay u e prime over ex minus 1 square. Okay, v square. Okay, ni formula kan. Okay, let's simplify. Okay, ex minus 1 over ex plus 1. Dari ni kita cuba kutipkan, ini ada ex. So kita okay, factorize. Ex factorize. Okay, and then tinggal ex minus 1, ini minus ex minus 1 over ex minus 1 square. Okay, and then simplify kan, yang ini dengan ni cancel satu dan dapat there is ex ni cancel negative 2. Terus buat senang. Okay, negative 2 ex over ex plus 1 ex minus 1. Stop until this step. second I write like this. Boleh lah. E to x minus 1. Okay, that's why let's say you use direct ni direct differentiate from ln. Okay, without you simplify. Let's say you want to simplify. The second method is for number 7. Case ni second method dia. Fx is equal to ln ex plus 1 ex minus 1. Okay, so let's say you want to simplify before differentiate. So tengok check pattern. This pattern is ln m over n. Okay, is equal to ln m minus ln n. So this is n. Kita guna law dulu law dulu is equal to ln, okay, yang ini, okay, m. So buat m ex plus 1 minus, okay, ini n. So ln ex minus 1, okay, and baru differentiate. So 1 over kan turun darjat. Ada differentiate ini dapat ex bal. Differentiate x dapat 1 kalau nak lah. Okay, minus, okay, 1 over ex minus 1. Okay, and then differentiate ini dapat ex differentiate x 1. Okay, so simplify lah kan. Simplify, saya take this one lah, because this one is sama kan. Okay, factorize kan ex 1 over ex plus 1 minus 1 over ex minus 1. Okay, and then can I stop sampai sini? Yes lah, option ada kan. And then equating the denominator minus ex plus 1, okay, over ex plus 1 ex minus 1, then ini ex minus ex gone, ni negative 1 negative 2 ex over ex plus 1 ex minus 1. Okay, done. Simple, right? Actually, kalau you strong, you rasa you boleh buat law simple je. 3 law of log, right? Guna this one. The second method ni. Actually, this is the first method ni. Okay, kalau tak mampu, tak boleh, tak lupa this one, right? Terus guna cara ni. Yang ini. Okay, actually, you kena biasa juga dengan law. Because macam much easier lah kalau you guna law. Settle for 7. H ada problem? Soalan? Soalan tak? Tak ada? Proceed Boleh?
Okay, madam.
F 7i. Okay, fx ln x plus third x squared plus, jangan confuse dengan limit ni chapter differentiation. Okay, so now nak buat apa? Ni lah, differentiate lah. Masalahnya kan, kita differentiate lah. Ni ln dia turun darjat kan. Tadi buat apa? Tak boleh simplify dah. Because this is x plus ni nak kan, I use this one for multiplication. Ini law for multiplication. You cannot use this one. No, cannot use. Okay, because of dia plus ni tak boleh guna. Jangan guna. Okay, now I say this one direct differentiate. Ni dia turun darjat. Buat procedure. 1 over x plus third x squared plus 1. Then you need to differentiate. Actually, normally kita differentiate directly. So kita bernafas sikit. Kita differentiate ni. We need to differentiate this one. Merah ni kan. So now let's say tak apa. Kita continue je. Ini biar pitch ni. Tadi buat apa dah? Okay, now we're going to differentiate ni. Differentiate ni. Takkan tak tahu kan? Differentiate X. Siapa tak tahu tu tak prepare for exam lah ni. Ni, 1 aja. Kan? Okay, plus differentiate ni 1 over 2 X squared plus 1. Differentiate dalam ni is equal to 2X. Okay lah, you boleh differentiate this one. Okay, kalau differentiate asing-asing buat macam ni lah. X squared plus 1 to the power of ni half. Ada ini power rule half. X squared plus 1 half minus 1 negative half, and differentiate inside the bracket to X. Okay, so cancel X and over X squared plus 1. So ni kena cancel ni, belum cancel lagi. Okay, atau direct macam ni. Kalau square root macam ni jangan buat lain-lain root pula kan. Square root je 1 over 2 je 1 over 3 lain punya. Jadi macam ni. Kalau tak sure, double check. Okay, and then dah dapat 1 over X plus X squared plus 1 plus X over X squared plus 1. Dah done. Tengok jawapan tak sama kan? Done. Actually, please stop. Tak jawapan nak ikut right, and then you pun confused. Do I need to continue? Yes lah, let's say nak dapat jawapan seperti tu. Tapi actually kalau option tu done kan. Equate the denominator, okay, plus X over ni equating to the denominator X squared plus 1 kan, ni kan dah lah atas ni kan. Okay, and then ni lah over semua. Dan cuba check tengok mata ni sama tak dengan ni. Same right? Cancel. So the answer is 1 over X squared plus 1. This is for number 7. 7C. Nah, dah jauh sikit. Ni. Okay. So 3x minus 2. Okay, 2x cube betul lah ni, cube tak mata saya dah ni dah. Okay, betul Okay, first copy question correctly, double check Okay, and then now also, ini ln pattern m over n. So law dia ln m minus ln n. This is m, this is n. So now kita modify dulu. Ya, kita don't differentiate, just modify using the law. Jadi law yang ini m, this one ln m, ini m. So tak sini. Okay, ln m 3x minus 2. Okay, minus. Okay, and then ni n. This one n. So tak sini. Ln 2x cube plus 5x. Okay, so now simplify this to simplest form, and then now next is differentiate, baru f prime of x. Jangan buat equal sampai ke habis. Check lah. Dia apa ceritanya? Ni cerita f. Jangan cerita f prime. Okay, so can I separate this one 3x minus 2? No lah. 2x cube minus no, cannot, because all the all is plus and minus. Law only involve multiplication and division. Macam lah differentiation, dia ada product rule, ada quotient rule kan. Okay, dah. So ini differentiate ln 1 over. Okay, yang ni pun 1 over. Turun darjat right. Okay, tak sini. Dia punya ni lah. Dia punya anak dalam tu kan ni. So now 3x minus 2 ni differentiate yang ini 3x minus 2 3. This one 2x cube plus 5x differentiate times differentiate 6x square plus 5. Okay, differentiate dalam nafas darab and then try to rewrite lah. Okay, rewrite. And then 6x squared plus 5 over 2x cubed plus 5x. Okay, habis. Okay, saya nak simplify lagi. Buatlah kalau nak. This is the 7j kan. Okay, dia bagi dia ni lah. You can start until that step. Just off. Okay, tak apalah. Ni. Okay. So just try to get the same answer. 2x cubed plus 5x minus 6x squared plus 5 3x minus 2 over 3x minus 2 2x cubed plus 5x. Okay. Expand lah. Expand. Ini this one. Okay. This one is 6x cubed plus 15x. Okay. Minus this one. Ni. Ini bracket lah kan. Okay. So ini is 18x cubed minus 12x squared plus 15x minus 10. Okay. And then over panjang cerita. Okay. 3x minus 2 2x cubed plus 5x. And then kita pun ni lah. Banyaknya kan. Tak apa. Okay. Okay. Over. Okay, 3x. Yeah. Okay, you have to do sampai di step ni. Okay. And then ini this one. Ni. Okay. Negative 12x cubed. Okay. And then ni. Okay. Okay, the next is tak ada kawan. Ni. Plus 12x squared plus 10. Okay. And then tulislah. Okay, dan sabar sikit kan. Then factorize. Why factorize? Because of this one 12, 10 kan. Okay, take itulah outside kan. Dapat negative 6x cubed plus 6x squared plus 5. Okay lah. Okay, over 3x minus 2 2x cubed plus 5x. Dan settle. So now and check ln kan. And this is same like ln m is equal to ln m plus ln n. Okay, and then means this one still fx. Okay, yang ini m. Okay, times kan, dia mesti times ln n. Ni n ni. And this one is n. Okay, dah. So sini. Ni is ln m is x cubed. Okay, plus and then this one is n. This one n kat sini. Okay, so still ln e power negative 3x. So before differentiate, check dulu yang ini means can take this one to the front kan, because of using the third law kan. Ingat third law tu ni selalu kena ingatkan ni. Okay, macam ni kan. Ni third law. Okay, bawa ke sana dapat ln x. Okay, plus. Okay, this one also the third law. Okay, so negative. Okay, negative 3x ln e. Ln e is equal to apa? Dah tahu kan? Ln e is equal to 1. Jangan duk pening pula kan? Kita tahu lah tu. And then baru f prime of x. Janganlah duk asyik macam ni kan. Okay, is equal to 3 ln 1 over x, 1 minus 3. Ni apa benda ni? Fx. Ini you dah buat something kan. Ini f prime x kan. Kau suka duduk je kan. You ada nak sebut story juga kan. Okay, 3 over x minus 3. This is the answer for 7k. Dan bolehlah kalau nak simplify lagi, nak bawa ke atas ke apa. Okay, atau bolehlah you nak factorize because of 3 kan ni sama. Okay, take outside minus 1. Boleh stop. Okay, settle for number ni. And then ni ln x. Okay, so now kita guna alternate from out to inside, alternate from out to inside. And so yang paling out keluar in this one. Okay, use the power rule. Okay, ni dah once you buat ni, you kena differentiate dy dx is equal to 2, and then dia punya power dia reduce to minus 1 is 1 kan. Then dia punya you have to write lah whatever here. Okay, ln x. The next step, baik kan, dx differentiate ln x. Next step. Okay, so rewrite dy dx to ln x, then differentiate ln x dapat 1 over x, differentiate x dapat 1, and rewrite to ln x over x. Then can I skip this one? Yes, just skip. So direct to me. So the idea dia, okay, for this one just write this is tak nak macam ni. This is from dy dx, and then you buat guna apply for quotient, apply power rule, and then at the same time you differentiate ni macam double dosa kan. Banyak kali dah lah, one by one lah. Mula-mula buat dulu to ln dia dulu, kita dah ketik dia ke satu, and then biar fill lah, kita just copy ln x, then baru differentiate dia. Jangan buat macam ni, sian dia kan. Okay, jadi one by one make sure dia punya rule of exponent ke ln ke trigonometry ke, dia hanya one step by step lah, one rule je lah. Jadi ada the next step baru kita buat one by one, dia tak ada double bertukar. Okay, that was for number L.